Okay, children. So we'll start the meeting. Most important thing, कोणही मध्ये लेक्चरच्या मध्ये चॅट करू नका. कोणत्याही चॅटला मध्ये उत्तर दिल्या जाणार नाही. जे काही चॅट येतात आणि अनवॉन्टेड जर चॅट कोण्याही विद्यार्थ्याचं जर मिळालं तर त्याला इमिडिएटली मीटिंग मधून काढल्या जाईल. बाळा, ह्या डिस्कशनचा एमच हा आहे की मुलांना बेनिफिट मिळावा. मी जसं तुम्हाला कालही म्हटलं की याच्यामधून तुम्हाला 10-15 मार्काची प्रश्न जरी सपोज एक्स्ट्रा तुम्हाला करता आली, जर प्रॉपर तुम्हाला बेनिफिट झाला, जसं कालचा पेपर बघितला तर जवळजवळ 15 ते 20 मार्काची क्वेश्चन्स आहेत जी जशीच्या तशी आलेली आहेत आणि काही सिमिलर क्वेश्चन्स आहेत. तर जे सिन्सियर आहेत त्याच लेकरांसाठी हा संपूर्ण प्रोग्राम चालू आहे. जे सिन्सियर नसतील, ज्याला सपोज काही मीटिंग मध्ये काही चॅट करायचं असेल किंवा टाइमपास करायचा असेल, तर प्लीज यू कॅन लीव द मीटिंग. आणि जर असं चॅट आलं तर तुम्हाला इमिडिएटली मीटिंग मध्ये ब्लॉक केलं जाईल. नाव आय विल रिक्वेस्ट सर टू स्टार्ट द मीटिंग. अँड जे काही बाकीचे सरांना जे जनरल इन्स्ट्रक्शन्स किंवा जे काही असेल द्यायचं ते सर सगळं तुम्हाला सांगतील. ओव्हर टू सर. Thank you, sir.
Good evening, students. Today we are going to solve the one SSC board geometry paper, Maths 2. Before that, I want to give the some instructions. बोर्डाच्या नियमानुसार पेपर लिहिताना व्यवस्थित पेपर लिहायचं. रिप्रेझेंटेशन व्यवस्थित पाहिजे. रिप्रेझेंटेशन म्हणजे काय? डेकोरेशन नाही, अजिबात नाही. रिप्रेझेंटेशन तुम्ही सादर करायचे. स्टेप बाय कुठली स्टेप ओमिट न करता तुम्ही ती व्यवस्थित सोडवायची, कारण प्रत्येक स्टेपला मार्काचा. ईच अँड एव्हरी स्टेप आहे तर मार्क्स आर गिवन. डोंट फॉरगेट इट. डोंट मिस दॅट. डोंट गिव्ह द एनी ब्लँक वर ओनली. रिमेंबर. सो प्लीज. दुसरी गोष्ट, व्यवस्थित पेपर वाचायचा आहे, रीड करायचा पेपर हातात आल्यानंतर. रीड करायचा म्हणजे मोठ्याने नाही, तुमच्या डोळ्यांनी तुम्हाला पेपर रीड करायचा. 5 मिनिटांमध्ये पेपर रीड झाला पाहिजे. रीड करता करता जेव्हा एखादा क्वेश्चन तुम्ही वाचता तर सडनली दॅट कॅल्क्युलेशन शुड बी स्टार्टेड इन युअर ब्रेन. तुमच्या ब्रेन मध्ये लगेचच तुमच्याकडे ते कॅल्क्युलेशन सुरू झालं पाहिजे की हे आपल्याला येतं, यस हे मला येतंय. एक्साइट व्हायचं नाही. कुठे चुका होतात, काय होतात ते मी तुम्हाला प्रत्येक प्रश्न वाईज सांगणार आहे. काही टेन्शन घेऊ नका. ओके. Just now we will start the question paper. See here first. For alternative answers are given. 4 alternative answers are given. For every sub question, select the correct alternative and write the alphabet of that alphabet. Don't write the answer. Alphabet, whatever may be A, B, C, D. If both you are writing, okay. But alphabet will give to the first one, remember. Both you are writing, okay. Now first one here. Out of following, which is the Pythagorean triplet? If you observe here, Pythagorean triplet, that means what? Suddenly that is in your mind that Pythagorean should be there. What is that one? Square of the hypotenuse is equal to sum of the square of the remaining two sides. You observe here, the all 4 options are given. Observe the option 10, whatever may be the bigger number. Which one you guess here? The bigger number should be considered as a length of the hypotenuse. See, first one example I am telling here, 10. 10 square is 100. 5 square is 25 and 1 is 1. 25 plus 1, 26. 26 is equal to 100. That is possible? Not possible. Remaining C here, 2. This is also not possible. Therefore, your final answer is here B1. That is 3 square plus 4 square is equal to 5 square. That is 9 plus 16 is equal to 25. 25 is equal to 25. LHS is equal to RHS. Therefore, your correct option is what? 3, 4, and 5. This is your final answer. For you want to mention here, what is the answer? Here B. Therefore, your answer is B. Remember. If you both you want to mention, write here B and then 3, 4, 5. This one is also correct. But preference will be given to your alphabets. Remember, whatever it may be, A, B, C, D. Is that clear? Chalo. Next one, second one. 2 circles of radius 5.5 centimeter and 3.3 centimeter respectively touch each other externally. See, concentrate on the word externally. 2 possibilities are there, internally and externally. Externally, that means that is even like that. Externally tangent. Radius. Distance, that is suppose here P and Q. What is that here? 5.5 and 3.3. When that circles are tangent externally, the distance between their center is equal to R1 plus R2. Suppose this one is the R1, this one is the R2. Therefore, R1 plus R2, that is 5.5 plus 3.3. Your answer is 8.8. Therefore, your answer is here C. Is that clear? You want to mention the answer C or 8.8 centimeter, whatever it may be, unit is given. Is that clear? Agree? The next one. Distance of point -34 from the origin. From the origin, that is the graphical one. That is the coordinate geometry. From the origin, what is the formula? That is under root x square plus y square. That is the formula, if you remember. Agree? Yes, therefore put it here. That is 3 square. How much is the -3 square? Minus plus 3 square is 9. And 4 square is 16. 9 plus 16, that is 25. What is the square root of 25? Square root of 25, that is 5. Therefore, your answer is here. D, that is 5. This is your answer. In this way, you want to read the problem properly, understand it, that see which one formula we are going to use here, and then you want to write the answer. Is that clear? Okay, next one, fourth one. Find the volume of cube. Cube, that means what? Suddenly that figure should be in front of your eye. Cube, that means that is L is equal to B is equal to H, that is the cube. Because the each and every surface is spherical one. All the sides, that the length, breadth, and height is also equal. Therefore, the volume of cube is equal to L cube. That is 3 into 3 into 3. Is equal to 3 3s are 9 3s are 20 centimeter cube. Centimeter unit is given. You want to mention the centimeter cube. Remember, the toppers are there. Those students are topper. If you not mention that centimeter unit, whatever it may be, you lost the half mark. Remember, topper. That means topper. That paper will be also checked as like a topper will be. Remember. So please don't miss the writing the unit. Whatever it may be, if unit is not given, mention their unit. UNIT. But finish. But paper should be proper. Is that clear? Agree? Yes. Now the B. The ratio of corresponding sides of similar triangles is 3:5. Then find the ratio of their area. That similar triangles are given. Remember. Triangles are given similar. What is our theorem? First one theorem you remember in first topic only, first page only. The area of ratio of triangles is equal to the ratio of their base, corresponding product of corresponding base and corresponding height. That is the first one there. But here they use the word similar triangle. That means A1 upon A2 is equal to S1 square upon S2 square. What is that one? Ratio of area of two similar triangle is equal to the ratio of square of their corresponding sides. Remember. Therefore, substitute the value 3:5. That is 3 upon 5. 3 upon 5 bracket square, that is 9 upon 25. That is your answer. Is it clear? Agree? Yes? Second one. Find the diagonal of the square whose side is 10 centimeters. What you are using is, that question is asked for only for 1 mark. What you are doing here, exam? Here only draw the square, then x, then x, then x, then x, then the diagonal, and you are using the Pythagoras theorem here. That means whatever maybe 3-4 minutes will be required there. But mark is 1. So you another formula you can use, that is √2 into side. Diagonal of the square is what? √2 into side. Directly you are getting the answer into 10. That is 10 √2 centimeter. That is your answer. Directly. This method is also correct. No tension. Okay, both are correct. But which one is easy, that you accept yourself and solve by that method? You are getting the credit, full credit. That method should be mathematically and logically correct. Then you are getting the credit, otherwise no. Is that clear? The third one. ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral. For your understanding, cyclic, that means all the vertices of the quadrilateral should be present on the circle. Therefore, ABCD, opposite angles, B and D, that angle is given. Measure of an angle B is 110 and you want to find out the measure of angle D. What is that the property of the cyclic quadrilateral first? That is B and D. That means opposite angles of the cyclic quadrilateral are supplementary to each other. Supplementary to each other, that means sum of these two angles should be 180 degree. Therefore, angle B plus angle D is equal to 180 degree. That is opposite angles of cyclic quadrilateral. That is the property. Therefore, here what? 70 degree is given. Plus angle D is equal to 180. Therefore, angle D is equal to 180 minus 70 degree is equal to 110 degree. That is your answer. Agree or not? Yes. Everybody, 110 is given. Sorry, here 110 is given. Therefore, your answer is 70. Your answer is here 70, remember. Because the angle is given 110. Therefore, 180 minus 110 is equal to 70 degree. Therefore, measurement of the angle D is 70 degrees. 70. Sometimes you are in hurry, very excited, and you are mentioning here angle D is equal to 70. What? Degree should be there, remember. If you are only mentioning here, you are doing the mistake. And this is called as the silly mistakes. So don't do that one silly mistakes. Degree should be right there. Next one. Find the slope of the line passing through the point A, B. Slope of line, slope. What is the formula for slope? Yes, y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. Here x1, here y1, here x2, y2. Which one is y2? Y2 is 7. 7 minus 3. 7 minus 3. Therefore, what is the value? 7 minus 3 upon, yes, 4 minus 2. Therefore, 7 minus 3, that is 4. 4 minus 2, 2. 2 is the answer. Therefore, slope of line AB. Mention the answer lightly. Slope of line AB is equal to 2. This is the answer. Like that one you want to mention. Which one is x1? Which one is x2? Use tick mark there only. And by proper formula you want to solve it. Yes? So, लक्षात ठेवा हे. जिथं फॉर्म्युला लिहायचा, फॉर्म्युला लिहिला ना बोर्डामध्ये तरी त्याला अर्धा मार्क आहे. लक्षात ठेवा. फॉर्म्युला लिहिला त्याला अर्धा मार्क. हा y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1 यालाच अर्धा मार्क आहे. लक्षात घ्या. आणि उरलेल्या कॅल्क्युलेशनला मग 1.5 मार्क राहतो आणि आन्सरला अर्धा मार्क त्याच्यातला जातो. मधल्या कॅल्क्युलेशनला त्यांचा 1 मार्क मिळतो. स्टेप बाय स्टेप मार्क असतात, त्याच्यामध्ये बदल होत नाही. ती स्टेप कशी आली, का आली, कुठून आली, कोणाची पाहून लिहिली का, याचा एक्झामिनरचा काही संबंध नाही. स्टेप आहे तो मार्क देऊन मोकळे होणार. लक्षात ठेवा. त्याच्यामुळे व्यवस्थित पेपर, सायलेंटली पेपर सोडायचा. काही शंका असतील तर आपण नंतर बोलणारच आहोत, त्याच्याबद्दल काही टेन्शन नाही. ओके, चलो क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. Observe here, activity. Observe here first. Keep it in your mind. 2 marks. 3 activities are given. You want to solve any 2. But each activity are given. You want to copy that every activity, each and every term which is given in the activity. Copy करायची ती activity आहे तशीच. त्याच्यामध्ये फक्त काय काय मुलं काय करतात, मागच्या वर्षी आम्ही पेपर मध्ये पाहिलं, फक्त बॉक्स केले आणि बॉक्स मधले आन्सर लिहिले मुलांनी द्या मार्क. कसं शक्य आहे? या अख्खी ऍक्टिव्हिटी तुम्ही कॉपी करायची. जिथं बॉक्स आहे तिथं बॉक्स करायला विसरायचं नाही. तेवढ्याच बॉक्स मध्ये लिहिण्यासाठी अक्षर बारीक काढायचं नाही. आलं लक्षामध्ये? तुमचा बॉक्स मोठा झाला तर चालेल, त्याच्यामध्ये ते आन्सर बसलं पाहिजे. दिलेल्या बॉक्स मध्ये ते आन्सर लिहायचं. बॉक्स करायचा, बॉक्स मोठा झाला तरी चालेल, पण तू बॉक्स मध्येच आन्सर आलं पाहिजे, कारण एक्झामिनर फक्त तेवढ्या पाहिजे बॉक्स मध्येच पाहणार. आणि लक्षात ठेवा, 2 marks ऍक्टिव्हिटी इज देअर. देअरफॉर ईच बॉक्स कॅरीज हाफ मार्क. फक्त 4च बॉक्स असणार आहेत. 5वाही नसेल आणि 3ही नसतील. लक्षात घ्या, कंपल्सरी 4 बॉक्स असणारच आहेत. ईच बॉक्स कॅरीज हाफ मार्क, हाफ मार्क, हाफ मार्क, टोटल मार्क 2 मार्क. 2 मार्क टोटल तुम्हाला तिथे मिळणार आहे. इथे लक्षामध्ये आता हीच ऍक्टिव्हिटी पहा. PS स्क्वेअर is equal to PQ into, ही पुढे त्यांनी टँजंट मध्ये दिले, टँजंट सिकंड सेगमेंट थेरम. इफ यू रिमेंबर, that is topic number 3, third circle. That is the one property there. Therefore, one line is here, one tangent is, one is the tangent and other line is the secant. Therefore, PS square is equal to PQ into what? PQ into PR. PQ into PR. What is PR? What is PR? Tell me here, PQ. That is PQ plus QS. That is PR. that value is given 3.6, 6.4. 3.6, 6.4 is how much? 10. Therefore, 3.6 multiplied by 10, that is 3.6, that is 36 upon 10 into 10. That will be cancelled. And the answer is 36. Therefore, here PS square is there. Therefore, PS is equal to 36 by square root. That is how much? 6. Mention here by square root. That should be mentioned. Whatever will be step operation you are doing there, that reason you want to mention. What you are doing there, what you did there, which formula you are using there, which property you are using there, which reason you are writing, that should be written by square root. Directly don't mention 6 because you want to by taking the square root. So mention there by square root. Okay. Is that clear? That is given in the bracket only by taking the square root. Okay. Chalo, next one. Here sec theta is equal to 25 upon 7. Find the value of tan theta. Now boys are studying here. Sec theta value is given tan theta. What is the relation between that sec theta and tan theta? Remember that identity formula, fundamental trigonometric ratio is there. What there? 1 plus tan square theta. 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec square theta. That is the formula. Substitute the values. Here 25, 7, that is square is there. Remember. Square. And then what is the square of the 25 upon 7? That is 625 upon 49. By transformation, tan square value you want to find out. Because of that, you should transfer the 1 to the right hand side. Therefore, 625 upon 49, that is equal to 1 minus 1 minus 1. Therefore, by the LCM, you want to equalize the denominator. Therefore, 625 minus 49 upon 49. Therefore, you are getting here. How much is here? My 625 minus 49 is 576. And what is the square root of the 576? That is 24. Therefore, tan theta value is what? 24 upon 7. 24 upon 7. In this way, please set up, write in the box only. If the box you are getting smaller, don't draw yourself on the box and then write the answer. Okay, sure. Next one. Observe the figure. In the figure given above, O is the center of the circle. Using given information, complete the following table. पहा फिगर पहा फिगर आपल्याला रीड करता आली पाहिजे वाचता आली पाहिजे आपल्याला फिगर वाचता येते लक्षात ठेवा वाचता आली पाहिजे फिगर आपल्याला येते या ठिकाणी मायनर आर्क्स म्हणले मायनर आर्क that means what that measure if you draw the perpendicular draw the middle one center line that is the semicircle and measurement of the semicircle is 180 and minor arc that means measurement should be less than 180 whatever may be the measurement of the less than 180 that should be the minor arc and here central angle is given AOB that is 100 degree. What is that central angle? And according to the property, the measurement of the central angle is equal to the measurement of the intercepted arc. Which one is the here intercepted arc? AXB. Therefore, minor arc is what? Arc AXB. If we mention here only AXB. AXB. Wrong. I'm not giving the mark. Half mark here. Already one mark is there. Half mark is there. If you are only mentioning here EXB, directly I'm giving you because I'm not satisfied. Why? Because arc, name of the arc, and that is you want to mention here. Arc AXB, remember. Arc AXB. How much is given? That is already given. That is equal to 100 degree. Now the next one is major arc. Major arc, that means what? Measurement should be greater than 180 degree. If you have the round one here, AYB, that is the major arc. Major arc plus minor arc, that is nothing but the circle. Now 100 is given. Total measurement of here arc AYB. Therefore, what is the measurement of this one? Common sense only. Whole measurement of the circle is 360. That out of 360, 100 gone. What is the remaining one here? 260 degree. Then you are getting the half mark, and you are getting the 2 marks. Okay, chalo, next one. By observing the figure only, remember here. Observe the figure. In triangle PQR, NM parallel to RQ, PM is equal to 15, MQ is equal to 10, NR is equal to 8, then find PM. NM parallel to RQ that is given. That means which one property? Suddenly click in your mind only, brain only, which one theorem is there? Yes, BPT, basic proportionality theorem. Is that clear? Agree. Now you want to solve by here. Therefore, what is your formula? Pn upon Nr is equal to Pm upon Mq. What is the reason? BPT. This is the abbreviation. Which abbreviations are allowed? Because of that, you are mentioned basic proportionality theorem. Okay, but some are writing here BPT, but any other short form is not allowed. Remember, which this is called as the abbreviation. Which abbreviation you are using here? BPT allowed. Okay, but CACT, CSEST, CSCT, CAST, whatever will be corresponding angle of congruent triangle, corresponding sides of the congruent triangle, corresponding angle of the similar triangle, corresponding sides of the similar triangle. These abbreviations are allowed. Any other is not allowed. PPT is allowed. But you are mentioning there sometimes angles, circles are congruent, not allowed. So please, which are only allowed, that abbreviations you want to use here. Otherwise, don't use any other, remember. So please take care of that one. If you are using any other of the abbreviation, short form, that examiners also use the short form and you lost the marks. Now put it here only. What is PN? PN is how much? PN you want to find out. Therefore, what is MQ? NR is how much? NR is 8. Therefore, PN upon NR, that is 8, is equal to PM is how much? PM is 15 and MQ is 10. MQ is 10. Here by cross multiplication. By cross multiplication, Pn into 10 is equal to 8 into 15. Therefore, Pn is equal to 8 into 15 upon 10. If you simplify the 15, 8 is 120 upon 10. That is also correct. R. Therefore, Pn is equal to 12. This is your final answer. But some are telling here what? 4 2s are, 2 4s are, 2 5s are, 5 3s are. This is also correct. Remember. Directly you mention, or you by the simplify the case, that is also given mentioned. Therefore, Pn is equal to 12. That is your final answer. Unit is not given here. So you want to mention here unit. Okay. So next one. Here, in triangle MNP, angle MNP is equal to 90 degree. Segment NQ perpendicular to segment MP. If MQ is equal to 9, QP is equal to 4, then find NQ. Observe here, right angle triangle is given. One property is there. What is that one? That property is learned in the similar and Pythagoras theorem. What is that one? Right angle triangle and similarity. That is the corollary you are getting here. या ठिकाणी तुम्हाला एक उपप्रमेय मिळतं आणि त्याला भूमिती मध्य म्हणतात आणि त्याला इंग्लिश मध्ये जॉमेट्रिक मीन म्हणतात. अकॉर्डिंग टू द प्रॉपर्टी एनक्यू स्क्वेअर इज इक्वल टू एमक्यू इंटू क्यूपी. काय राहायचं रिझन? जॉमेट्रिक मीन. देअरफॉर एनक्यू स्क्वेअर is equal to MQ into QP. Mention the reason. Geometric mean. Reason should be there. Remaining person, those are only that taking 30, 32, 30. Okay, that is negligible. But those are toppers. Remember, you should remember that you have to write the reason compulsory. Without reason, no value for that statement. Remember. You are considering, you are a state level player. You want to, criteria should be like that one only. Remember, is that clear? Therefore, NQ square is equal to, what is MQ? MQ is 9 and QP is 4. Therefore, NQ square is equal to 36. That is the perfect square by taking square root. Therefore, NQ is equal to 6. Unit is given, not given. Mention here unit. That is your final answer. This is very important. Is that clear? Yes? Okay, chalo, next one. Observe here, figure. In the given figure above, M is the center of the circle and KL is the tangent segment. L is the point of the contact. MK is equal to 12 cm. MK is equal to 12. KL is equal to 6 root 3. Then find the radius of the circle that you want to find out.
According to property, any angle measurement is not given. Which angle you want to consider here? If you observe here, L is the point of contact. That means radius is the ML and LK is the tangent. And radius tangent property, according to that point of contact, that measurement should be right angle, that is 90 degree. That is 90 degree. Agree all of you? 100%. Everybody. Now next one is what? What do you want to do here? Which one is the then hypotenuse? Which one is the hypotenuse? Tell me. Yes, MK is the hypotenuse. Opposite side of the 90 degree is the hypotenuse. Therefore, in right angle triangle, MLK, MK square is equal to ML square plus LK square. Here the reason is Pythagoras. Remember, reason is Pythagoras. Substitute the values. MK square, that is 12 square, is equal to ML. We have to find out ML square plus LK square is 6 root 3. 6 root 3. 6 root 3 is there, no? Yes, 6 root 3. Therefore, bracket square. MK, that is 12 square, that is 144. ML square we are going to find out plus 6 root 3. 6 outside that number 6, that is square of that one, that is 36, and root 3 square only 3. 36 into 3, that is 108. Therefore, ML square is equal to 144 minus 108. Therefore, ML square is equal to 36. And square root of that one by square root ML is equal to 6. Centimeter is given, not given, therefore unit. But what is ML? ML is nothing but the radius of the circle. Therefore, radius of circle is equal to 6 unit. That is your final answer. In this way, you are to represent each and every step marks are given, remember. Whatever it may be. Okay. Find the coordinate of midpoint of this segment joining the point 20 to 20 and 0, 60. Midpoint here. Midpoint formula. x1 plus x2 upon 2, y1 plus y2 upon 2. That formula you are writing there, you are getting the half mark, remember. After that, you mention here, that is x1, y1, that is x2, y2. Bifurcation should be properly. Which one you are considering x1, which one y1, that should be properly. You have to write out then, remember. Is that clear? Substitute the values. What your value you are getting here? Tell me first. That is how much? 20 plus? Yes? 20. 22 plus 0. What is x1? 22 plus 0 upon 2, and y1 plus y2 is how much? Therefore, that is 20 plus 16 upon 2. What is the addition of this one? 22 upon 2, that is 11, and 20 plus 16 upon 2 is how much? 18. 36 upon 2, that is 18. That should be the answer, remember. Proper way. Formula should be proper writing. Substitute the values there properly, and then write it. Don't be hurry. What you are thinking, you know the answer. What is that answer? You know that division, whatever it may be. But by mistake, you are doing the calculation mistake, and instead of 18, you are writing 8. Doing properly, very nicely. But by mistake, when you are writing, so don't excited. Please write properly. So much time is there. 2 hours, not a joke. 2 तास वेळ आहे आपल्याकडे. आपल्याला घाई करण्याची आवश्यकता अजिबात नाही. घड्याळाकडे पाहून टाइम मॅनेजमेंटने आपल्याला पेपर सोडवायचा आहे. घाई करायची नाही. परफेक्ट सोडवायचा आहे. कमी वेळात पेपर झाला पाहिजे. कमी मेथड्स वापरले गेले पाहिजे. लांब लेंदी मेथड वापरायची नाही. जी आपल्याला योग्य वाटते मॅथमॅटिकल लॉजिकली मेथड वापरा. प्रत्येक मेथडला तुम्हाला मार्क दिले जातात. फक्त ती लॉजिकली आणि मॅथमॅटिकली करेक्ट पाहिजे. कुठून तरी ओढून काढून आणलेली नाही पाहिजे. येते लक्षामध्ये घ्या. आता या ठिकाणी पहा, अ पर्सन इज स्टँडिंग डिस्टन्स ऑफ 80 meters फ्रॉम ए चर्च अँड लुकिंग ऍट द टॉप. द एंगल ऑफ द एलिव्हेशन इज 45 degree. फाइंड द हाईट ऑफ द चर्च. आता या ठिकाणी चर्च वगैरे दिले. प्रत्यक्ष चर्च वगैरे काढायचं नाही आपल्याला. इथे ड्रॉइंग काढायचीच नाही आपल्याला बिलकुल. इथे बिलकुल नाही. राईट अँगल ट्रायंगल, दॅट इज द ट्रिगोनोमेट्रिक रेशियो. ट्रिगोनोमेट्रिक हाईट अँड डिस्टन्स, लास्ट वन युनिट इज देअर. त्याचा आपल्याला साइन कॉस त्यांचा वापर करायचा आणि त्याच्यावरती ते आपल्याला सोल्युशन करायचं. त्यासाठी फिगर काढली पाहिजे. फिगर कोणाला कळते? कोण काढतो फिगर? ज्याला प्रॉब्लेम अंडरस्टँड झाला तो. रीड द प्रॉब्लेम प्रॉपरली, अंडरस्टँड इट. तुम्हाला तो समजलाच पाहिजे, समजल्यानंतर तुम्ही फिगर काढू शकता, अन्यथा काढू शकत नाही. म्हणून अंडर व्यवस्थित वाचा, काय दिलंय, काय पाहिजे, काय शोधायचं, याचा सगळा अभ्यास करायचा आणि फिगर काढायची. 16 सेकंद लागतात जास्तीत जास्त, जास्त वेळ लागत नाही. मग आता या ठिकाणी चर्च दिलेलं आहे त्यांनी. चर्च म्हणजे काय असणार आहे ते काय असणार आहे मला सांगा. ते आपल्या जमिनीला परपेंडिक्युलर असणार आहे. नावं द्या काही पण, आणि तिथे लिहा तुम्ही कोण काय रिप्रेझेंट करतोय. चर्च आहे, मग ए बी काय आहे, चर्च आहे. ए बी काय आहे, हे चर्च आहे. ए बी रिप्रेझेंट चर्च. आणि डिस्टन्स कोण, सी काय दिले मग त्यांनी, कोण आहे सीच्या जागी, द पर्सन. सी इज रिप्रेझेंट पोझिशन ऑफ द पर्सन, पोझिशन ऑफ पर्सन. हे अंतर दिलेलं आहे त्यांनी, किती दिलेलं आहे, 80 मीटर दिलेलं आहे. आणि आपल्याला काय काढायचंय, ही हाईट काढायची आपल्याला. कोण सेगमेंट काय रिप्रेझेंट करतो ते तिथं आपल्याला दाखवायचंय. आणि अँगल ऑफ एलिव्हेशन किती दिलेलं आहे त्यांनी, 45 दिलेलं आहे, लक्षात ठेवा. 45 हे लक्षात घ्या. आणि मग या ठिकाणी आपल्याला काय करायचंय, कुठला फॉर्म्युला वापरायचा आहे, कुठला रेशो वापरायचा आहे, तर सांगा. आता या ठिकाणी बेस दिलेला आहे, हाईट आपल्याला काढायची, काय करायला पाहिजे मला सांगा. काय करणार आपण, कुठलं वापरणार, काय करणार तुम्ही, कुठले वापरणार, टॅन. म्हणून टॅनचा रेशो तुम्हाला लिहायचा आहे इथं. टॅन इज इक्वल टू, टॅन विच वन, टॅन अँगल ए सी बी इज इक्वल टू ए बी अपॉन बीसी, ए बी अपॉन बीसी. हाईट आपल्याला काढायची. टॅन 45 म्हणजे काय, टॅन 40 म्हणजे काय, 1 आहे. टॅन 45 1 आहे, मग ए बी किती आपल्याला काढायची, ए बी आणि बीसी किती, 80 बाय क्रॉस मल्टिप्लिकेशन. AB is equal to 80. What is that AB? AB is nothing but the height of the church. Therefore, that is height of church is equal to 80 meter. Meter should be there because unit is given, that is given in the meter. If you are not mentioning the unit, your half mark will be compulsory. Remember. Okay? Yes? Sure. Next, third one. In the given figure, X is any point in the interior of the triangle. Point X is joined to the vertices of triangle. Segment PQ parallel to segment DE. Segment QR parallel to segment EF. Complete the activity and prove that segment PR parallel to DF. आता या ठिकाणी लक्ष द्या. आपल्याला ऍक्टिव्हिटी लिहायची, आपल्याला ही पूर्ण ऍक्टिव्हिटी कॉपी करायची, लक्षात ठेवा. त्याच्यामुळे ही फिगर दिल्यानंतर आपण कोण कोणाला पॅरलल हे व्यवस्थित पाहायचं. आता या ठिकाणी दिलेलं आहे, इथे फक्त चौकोन मोजून पहा तुम्ही, काय होतंय ते, किती चौकोन आहेत पहा, किती आहेत, 6 चौकोन लागतील इथे. 6 चौकोनच्या वर चौकोन नसणार आहे, 5 पण नसणार आहेत आणि 7 पण नसणार आहेत, 6च असणार आहे. प्रत्येक चौकोनाला अर्धा अर्धा मानताय, त्याच्यामुळे ब्लाइंडली तुम्हाला एकदम सोपं पडणार आहे. त्यामुळे गडबडून जायचं नाही. आता पहा इथे एरिया ऑफ ट्रँगल, इथं ट्रँगल दिला XDE. ऑब्झर्व करा फिगर, बघा XDE सापडला का, XDE, XDE पहा. हू इज पॅरलल टू हुम, PQ is parallel to DE, that is already given. PQ parallel to D, that is, what is that ratio, XP upon PD is equal to, yes, XQ upon QE, XQ upon QE. What is the reason, BPT, already reason is given in front of you there one, first statement. Now observe the triangle XEF. What is XEF? Observe the figure, XEF. Who is parallel to whom? That is QR parallel to EF. QR parallel to EF. Therefore, what? XQ upon QE. XQ upon QE is equal to XR upon who? RF. Yeah. What is the reason? Yes, BPT. Again, same reason. Basic proportionality theorem. Now, lastly, they mentioned there from 1 and 2, XP upon PD is equal to what? If you observe here XP upon PD, who is common for there only, remember? Who is common? Yes? XQ upon QF. If you observe here, XQ upon QF, this is common for both the equations. That means what? If you remember, one property is there. If you remember the word transitivity, remember the transitivity, that means what? A is equal to B, B is equal to C, that means A is equal to C. Therefore, XQ upon Q is the common one. Therefore, that will be cancelled. And remaining part is XP upon PD is equal to what? XR upon RVF. Therefore, that is from 1 and 2. In this way, you want to solve that. Which one property they are using there? Transitivity. I told only just now. A is equal to B, B is equal to C. That means A is equal to C. Transitivity. Is that clear? And that is last one is what? PR parallel to DF. Only ratio you are showing constant. That means any property is given there. They mentioned there. Basic property theorem. Okay. Parallel lines are given. Therefore, PR parallel to DF, that we are going to prove. For remaining two sides, they are given basic property theorem. What is that one? If that ratio is coming constant, therefore that is the converse of BPT. So because of that, they mention the reason there by converse of basic proportionality theorem. Next one. बोला यहाँ पे देखो A61, A2, C94, D73. Vertices of triangle ABCD show that ABCD is a parallelogram. When you read the word parallelogram, suddenly that property should be in front of you. Which one property? Opposite sides are parallel. Opposite sides are parallel. That means what? Opposite sides are parallel. What do you want to do here? By using the slope formula. By using the slope formula. What is that slope? Y2 minus Y1. Therefore, slope of AB you want to find out. AB. What is that AB you have to find out? Tell me first. Y2 minus Y1. Yes. What is that one first? 2 minus 1 upon 8 minus 6. How much is there? Chalo first. How much? Yes. 1 upon 2. Then slope of line BC is equal to how much? 2 minus 1. That is 4 minus 2 upon 9 minus 8. How much? 4 minus 2, that is 2. And upon 1 here, 9 minus 1, 8, that is 1. If you are not mentioning 1, don't mention. If only figure you are writing first one numerator, that is also correct. Therefore, that is equal to 2. Observe that next one. 3 minus 4 and 7 minus 9. 3 minus 4 is how much? Yes? 3 minus 4. How much? Minus 1. And 7 minus 9, that is minus 2. Minus will be plus, that is 1 upon 2. If you are mentioned directly in mind 1 upon 2, that is also correct number. Is that clear? Agree? That is for understanding. Don't miss why that is positive. Some are thinking here minus 1 coming, here minus 2 is coming. Then how that is possible? That minus will be cancelled. That will be converted into positive. Next one is 3 minus 1. How much? 2. 7 minus 6 upon 1. Therefore, that is again 2 upon 1. Now the slope of AB. Slope of AB is equal to what? Can you tell me? Slope of AB. Slope of AB is 1 upon 2. Slope of CD is also 1 upon 2. Therefore, slope of AB is equal to slope of CD. Slope of CD. Then next one, slope of AB parallel to CD, that is common sense then, because slopes are equal. Therefore, next one, which one slope? Yes, slope of BC is equal to which one? Slope of BC is equal to slope of DA or AD. And when that both the pairs of opposite sides are quadrilateral parallel, therefore that quadrilateral AB should be the parallelogram. This is the solution. Is that clear? Agree? 2 activities are given. In question number 3, only 2 activities. Anyone you want to solve. That is your choice. Which one is easy for you? First, you want to solve that one. If that remaining timing is there, you solve the extra one also. Whatever it may be written in your question paper, जे तुमच्या question paper मध्ये लिहिलं जातंय ते पूर्ण तपासलं जातं लक्षात घ्या. ते एक्स्ट्रा जरी लिहिलं असलं तरी ते कंपल्सरी आहे तपासणं ते तपासलं जातं. ज्याला मार्क जास्त पडतात तो मार्क तो काउंटिंग केला जातो. एखाद्या प्रश्नाला जर 4 मार्क पडले एखाद्या प्रश्नाला त्याच प्रश्नाला सोडवल्यानंतर 6 मार्क पडले दुसऱ्याला जास्त याला तर ते 6 मार्क काउंट केले जातात 4 मार्क काउंट केले जात नाही. लक्षात ठेव जो जास्त मार्काचा प्रश्न आहे तो तुमचा काउंट केला जातो ऑप्शनच्या ठिकाणी. येते लक्षामध्ये? ओके चलो नेक्स्ट. आता या ठिकाणी बी पार्ट पहा. सॉल्व द फॉलोइंग सब क्वेश्चन एनी टू. या ठिकाणी दिले ट्रायंगल PQR. Point ES is the midpoint of the side QR. PQ is equal to 11, PR is equal to 7, PS is equal to 13, and QR is equal to how much? Which one formula you want to use? Can you tell me? Median is given. Look at. Yes. PQR, triangle PQR. Yes is the midpoint. Observe the figure here. Everybody. PQR. Yes is the midpoint. Yes is the midpoint. PQ is equal to 11. PR is equal to 17. PS is equal to 13. You want to find out QR. QR you want to find out. You want to use here which one formula? Yes is the midpoint of QR. That means QS is equal to SR. Remember, QS is equal to SR. That identical marks already shown. That means which one property? Which one formula? Last one unit of the Pythagoras theorem. Apollonius principle. Apollonius principle. Mention there. PQ square plus PR square is equal to twice PS square is plus 2 QS square. Mention here Apollonius principle. Apollonius principle. The result should be there. Then substitute the value. Substitute zone. What is LE1 square? LE1 square plus PR square, that is 17 square, is equal to 2PS, that is 2 into 13 bracket square, plus 2 QS square you want to find out. QS you want to find out, then you are getting the QR because you want to find out the QR. QR, that is the bigger one. LE1 square, that is how much? 121. 171 is what? 289 is equal to 2. 169 is equal to 2 QS square. Therefore, 121 and 289 is how much? 410 plus how much? Is equal to 338 plus 2 QS square. Therefore, 2 QS square is equal to 410 minus 318. Therefore, 2 QS square is equal to how much? Yes, 72. Therefore, QS square is equal to 72 upon 2. That is 36. Therefore, QS square is equal to 36 by square root. Therefore, QS is equal to 6. QS is equal to 6. What do you want to find out? QR. Because S is the midpoint of QR. S is the midpoint of QR. Therefore, QS is equal to half of QR. That means QR is equal to 2 into QS. That is 2 into 6. That is 12. Therefore, QR is equal to 12 centimeter or meter. Unit is not given. So, mention only unit. If centimeter is given, you want to mention centimeter. If meter is there, you want to mention meter. Is that clear? Agree? By proper way, step by step by step by step, you want to go. Okay. Yes? Next one. Prove that tangent segment drawn from any external point to the circle are constant. Theorem. Figure is not given. Compulsory figure you want to draw. Without figure, you are writing the statement theorem. Directly 0. That is not going to assess the question. Properly remember. If figure is not there, don't write the theorem. Figure should be there. If already figure is given in the textbook, no tension. Okay. But your statement is given and you are not drawing the figure and you are pit-patting at home only same theorem. Writing very nicely, very clear cut, not a single mistake, but figure is not there. You are writing the in triangle PQR. That figure is not there. Where that examiner is going to find out where is triangle PQR? Not possible. So figure, draw the figure. Without figure, no value for that statement, no value for that proof. Directly 0. Remember, that question is not going to marks. Compulsory, you want to write down that. For that one, theorem. This theorem is on the textbook only. Remember, textbook theorem is there. Theorem will be asked in according to the board question. That is asked in question number 3rd B question only. Remember. 3rd B, compulsory theorem, according to the pattern. Now, what are the theorems? Some theorems are used for that one. Activity also they can ask. That is why some corollary are there. Circle, angle is in the same arc are congruent. Angle is in the same circle is right angle. That is asked for the activity also. Is that clear? Theorem then we see that theorem is in the textbook. That is topic number circle. First one only. That the tangent segment from the external point of the circle are congruent, compulsory. Right angle triangle they are getting there, and you are going to by the hypotenuse side test. Hypotenuse side test. Now the construction next. Draw the circle with radius 4.1 centimeter. construct the tangent to the circle from the point at distance 7.3. 7.3 distances. First, you have to draw. Take the distance. That distance is including radius, remember. That distance is including radius. That means 4.1 is the radius. That means when distance you are taking here. Suppose that is 7.3. Then you are taking that radius, that is 0.1. Then you have to draw the circle here, like that. And when you are finding the perpendicular distance here, perpendicular bisector you are drawing, if that distance, that perpendicular distance, that means segment, that distance is divided into two equal parts. That is 7.3 is given. 7.3. Therefore what? 7.3. What is the 7.3? Half of 7.3 is how much? 3.6. 3.6 maximum. That means approximately 3.6. What is the radius is given? 4.1. That means that distance is smaller than the radius. The radius is greater than that means that perpendicular bisector, that perpendicular bisector you are drawing, that should be inside the circle. Remember, every time that is not touching the side, every time that is not outside. Sometimes distance is more than the radius or less than the radius. That should be inside. Remember of the circle. That means your figure is getting like that. Remember. Then you are drawing that one. Tangent. Properly you want to draw. Use the pencil very sharp. Pencil should be sharp. As like a hair-like structure should be the hair-like. Not a single mark will be going to read it there. By step only marks are given. Now which step they are giving the marks here? If you draw the circle only, you are getting the half mark. If they after taking the point on that distance, that circle, that you are getting the half mark. And from find that segment also you are getting the half mark. Half, and then you are getting the 3 marks for that. Very important. Construction should be proper way. Proper, that means proper. Very proper. Sharp, that means very sharp. Don't get rotate like that one only. You are doing that compass, only doing like that. And 4 lines are there. And then you are taking whatever is suitable, you choose yourself. No. Properly you should know that one. Construction. Is that clear? Agree? Yes. This one is the metal. This is the mensuration. Metal cuboid, metal cuboid. Cuboid, that means parallelepiped. That is LBH. Dimensions are given. So what they are mentioned? 16 centimeter, 81 centimeter, 10 centimeter was melted to make the coins. Coin you are to make. How many coins were made? If the thickness and diameter of the each coin was 2 mm and 2 centimeter respectively, pi value is given 3.14. First, that dimensions are given up. Therefore, what? Metal, that is volume of cuboid. Volume of cuboid is equal to L into B into H. Their dimensions are given 16 into 11 into 10. Therefore, that is 176 into 10 is equal to 176 centimeter cube. Cube will be there in number. Centimeter cube, because 3 dimensions are there. Okay, this is the solid one figure. Okay, so that is 3 dimensions are the centimeter cube. Now this coin will be melted, and from that melting material, you want to make the coin, and that dimensions of the coins are given here. What dimensions are given? Diameter of each coin is given 2 mm. Mm is given. But all the remaining dimensions are in centimeter. That means what? You want to equalize the unit. So you want to convert mm into centimeter. Then you are getting the correct answer. Is that clear? Therefore, pi value is given here. Agree? All of you? Yes. Therefore, coin is cylindrical shape. Coin is what? Cylindrical shape. You just imagine that 5 rupees coin, whatever it may be, cylindrical shape. And that thickness what? They mentioned the thickness. What is thickness? आपल्या मराठी भाषेमध्ये त्याला जाडी म्हणतो. थिकनेस ती जाडी म्हणजे त्या कॉइनची ती काय आहे? हाईट आहे. इथं मुलं म्हणतात थिकनेस दिला, हाईट कुठे दिली? कारण आपल्या डोक्यात फक्त हाईट म्हणजे अशी असते, एच असते. पण याची थिकनेस हा वर्ड वापरलेला आहे. मग त्याची काय पाहिजे? हाईट. देअरफॉर कॉइन इज व्हॉट? Cylindrical. Cylindrical shape. Therefore, what is that one? 2 mm is equal to, that is what? H is equal to 2 mm. 2 mm, that means 0.2 centimeter, because mm should be converted into centimeter. Because all the units are in centimeter. Is that clear? Agree? All of you? Yes. Now substitute the values here. What is the radius is given there? Diameter is 2 centimeter. Diameter is 2 centimeter. Can you tell me what is radius? Because radius is equal to what? D upon 2. 2 centimeter upon 2, that is 1 centimeter. Therefore, your diameter is how much? 2 centimeter. Substitute the value. Now, formula. What is the volume of coin then? Volume of coin. That shape of the coin is how much? That is cylindrical. That means that is cylindrical shape. Therefore, volume of coin is what? Volume of cylinder. That is pi r square h. Pi r square h. This mensuration properties depend upon only formula. Only formula. Write the formula, substitute the value, do the calculation. Your calculation should be proper way. That means your table number should be proper way written. You should remember the table. Then that is very easy. Is that right? Therefore, 3.14 into r is 1 square into height is how much? 0.2. Therefore, how much? That is 0.628 centimeter cube. Centimeter, that is volume of coin. Now, number of coin you want to find out. Number of coins, that means what? The melted material volume is how much? 71760 centimeter cube. And that volume is divided by the single coin volume, then you are getting the number of coins. Therefore, number of coins is equal to volume of cuboid upon volume of coin is equal to what? That is 1760 upon 0.628 is equal to, if you get this here, 1760 multiplied by 1000 upon 628, you just simplify that one, you are getting the answer 208. That points will be made by that melting material. Number of points. How many points are there? 2800 points. In this way, you want to solve proper way. If centimeter, centimeter, whatever it may be, whatever it may be. Number of points, proper way. Do the calculation properly. If you are not doing there, do the calculation behind of that last page of that question answer sheet. Mention there with pencil work. You mention the rough calculation with pencil, that will be not checked. Is that clear? Agree? Yes? Chalo, next one. Fourth one. In triangle ABC, PQ is the line segment intersecting AB at P and AC at Q such that PQ parallel to BC. PQ divide triangle ABC into the equal parts having equal areas. Find BP upon AB. Now observe here figure. What is given here? ABC, triangle ABC and triangle APQ. Observe the figure. That figure is not given here. You want to draw the figure first. All up here. Figure 1. Now BAC, tell me here. Given, what is given here? In triangle ABC and triangle APQ. What is given? Segment PQ parallel to segment BC. PQ parallel to BC is given here. Therefore, angle BAC. Angle BAC congruous to angle PAQ. Can you tell me here? Concentrate. BAC. What is BAC? And PAQ. BAC and PAQ. A is the what? Common angle. A is what? Common angle. Next one. ABC and APQ. ABC. Angle ABC. Congruous to angle APQ. Observe the angle. What is that one? Corresponding angle, because line is given parallel. Line is given parallel. Now what is that? Two triangles are similar. Therefore, triangle ABC similar triangle APQ. Which one test? A test, because two angles are there only. And when triangles are similar, therefore ratio of their area is how much? Ratio of their area is how much? Square of the corresponding sides. Square of the corresponding side. Therefore, area of triangle APQ upon area of triangle ABC is equal to AP square upon AB square. A theorem of ratio of area of similar triangle. In this way, you want to solve that. Is that clear? After that one, use the formula. That condition is given. Two areas are equal. There two equal areas are there. Therefore, two area of triangle APQ is equal to area of triangle ABC. Therefore, area of triangle APQ upon area of triangle ABC is equal to 1 upon 2. That 2 multiplication will be transferred there. That will be the division. Therefore, take the square root of that one. What is it from 1 to? But AP square upon AB square is equal to 1 upon 2 because the ratio of these two similar triangles are AP square upon AB square. Therefore, what? By square root, AP upon AB is equal to 1 upon root 2 because square root of the 1 is 1, square root of the root 2 is 2 is root. Therefore, what is AP? AB minus BP upon AB is equal to 1 upon root 2. Therefore, 1 minus BP upon AB. BP upon AB. 6 seconds. 6 seconds. BP upon AB is equal to 1 upon root 2. Take here therefore BP upon AB is equal to 1 minus 1 upon root 2. That is root 2 minus 1 upon root 2. That is the ratio you are getting here. That ratio you want to find out, remember. By using the property, using the theorem, ratio of area of two similar triangles. Is that clear? Agree? Yes? So next one. Draw a circle of radius 2.7 centimeter. Draw the chord PQ of length 4.0 centimeter. Draw the tangent at the point P and Q without using the center. Without using the center. See here. Without using the center. Don't use the compass. Remember. Suppose I am taking the here. AB. PQ. Sure. 4.5 centimeter. Now all of you know that here. Another point you want to take here. That is point R I am taking here. Why? Already 2 points are given. Why I am taking R? Because according to the property, which one property? From 3 non-collinear points, only one circle is passing. That is the property. So we are taking because of that the third one point here. Join that. Without using center, you want to draw, remember. Without using center. So don't use the center. You are extending that line, then more than half. No. Not at all. So what you want to do? Take your rounder. In your language, rounder. Actual name is compass. Remember. Take that one. Draw the sufficient distance. Draw the arc here. Okay. Same arc you want to draw here. Okay. Put it here, and then you want to draw the. Cut it here from here. That you are cutting here. Then you want to draw this. Is that clear? Similarly, this one, more than half distance you want to take here. Similarly, then you want to put it here, keep it there, cross it, and then you just join it. You are getting here. Let it be extended, that will be crossed to each other. This is your construction. Proper way. How to know that your that construction is depend upon you. Is that clear? Agree? Yes? Next. This is the mensuration. Now see how to think. I'm giving the explanation of that one now. Square is given. Square is given. Sides of the square is given 50 meter. Point PQRS are the midpoint. Midpoint. That means AP is equal to AS, SD, DR, RC, CQ, and QB and BP. Each and every term is same because square is given and PQRS is the midpoint here. Is that clear? Agree. Now you observe here the PS is what? PS is an arc. Therefore, area of sector, that means AP is nothing but the radius, and AP is equal to AS is equal to SD is equal to DR is equal to RC is equal to CQ is equal to QB. Each and every time is mentioned there. Therefore, is equal to 50 meter. AB. Agree? All of you. That distance is given A, B, C, D, that is 50 meter. Therefore, a sector is given. Sector. Sector, that means what here? AP is nothing but the radius. And what is the formula for sector? Area of sector is equal to what? Theta upon 360 into pi r square. Into pi r square. Tell me the formula complete. That is theta. How much theta is there? That square is given. Theta is not given, sir. What is that? Square is given. That means theta should be 90 degree. Therefore, that is 90 upon 360 into 3.14 into r square is how much? 25 square. Why you are taking here 3.14? That 3.14 is given there, not given in the question paper also. So what you want to do, whatever it may be, if that is easy to calculate, say 7 divided by 7 number is there, then you want to use the 22 upon 7. Otherwise, directly 3.14 and do the multiplication. Whatever may be answer is getting there, that is in decimal point, minor difference is there, 0.2. 0.2, that difference is acceptable to remember. Whatever it is. That means your answer is getting 25.62 and you are writing 61. Okay, that will be acceptable. Minimum 2 decimal point, that answer will be acceptable. For 2 degree, that is also acceptable. So remember, that is depend upon your calculation. Which value you are getting there, which value you are taking there, 22 upon 7 or 3.14, whatever it may be, that is very important. Is that clear? Therefore, what is that one? Do the calculation. You are getting the answer 490.625 meters square. Meters square, because that unit is given in meter. Unit is given in meters. Now next one. How many sectors are there? That is the area of one sector. That is the area of one sector. Now how many sectors are there? 4 sectors. Therefore, area of 4 sectors is equal to 490.625 into 4. That is how much? That is 1962.50 meters square. That is the area of that figure. Now what you want to find out? Shaded portion. Shaded region is given. That means what? That you want to calculate the area of first square minus area of sector, 4 sector. That is nothing but the area of shaded portion. Therefore, area of shaded portion is equal to area of square minus area of sectors. 4 sectors. How much this one? That is, what is the area of square here? Area of square is how much? That is already calculated should be. Their sides are given 50. 50 into 50, 2500. Therefore, 2500 minus 1962.50. Therefore, area of shaded portion is 537.50 meter square. That is the point. According to that point, we want to mention. Is that clear? Agree? Yes? Next one. Question number 5. Now remember that question number 4 and 5, they are telling out of textbook. Boys are thinking out of syllabus. Never out of syllabus. Out of textbook. Okay, out of textbook. But not from out of syllabus. Remember, that should be from syllabus. Because the area of triangle, whatever formulas are there, that is done in P 6, 7 standard. That is already done. Syllabus is there, but out of textbook, that means not from the textbook only. Is that clear? Observe here, 5th one. That is 8 plus 3. That is 11 marks sums are there. That will be the year. Only remember. Circles of center A, B, C touch each other externally. If AB is equal to 3 centimeter, BC is equal to 3 centimeter, C is equal to 4 centimeter. Draw the figure. 3 circles are there. You want to find out the radius of the each circle. What you want to do here? Draw the circle first. Touching to each other. That distance is given here. That is given 3 centimeter. Then another is how much? Yes, again 3 centimeter. And another is what? 4 centimeter. That means what? Radius of that circle is x, x, y, y, z, z. Total of this one is how much then? X plus y plus y plus z plus z. That means what? X plus y plus y plus z plus z is equal to 3 plus 4. Is how much? Yes. How much? That is 10. Therefore, 2x plus 2y plus 2z is equal to 10. 2 as a common. X plus y plus z is equal to 10. Therefore, x plus y plus z is equal to 5. That main answer you are getting, that is 1. Now you observe here first one, x plus y is equal to how much? 3. X plus y is equal to 3. Y plus z is equal to also how much? 3. And z plus x is equal to 4. That ratio, that addition of this radius that you are getting here. And each sum, each equation you want to subtract from this main equation. Subtract from this one. You are take the subtract from that one. You are getting the each circle radius of the each and every circle. You want to use this. Yes? Agree? All of you? Yes? Hello? Yes. Chalo, next one. Sin theta plus sin square theta is equal to 1. Show that cos square theta plus cos raised to 4 theta is equal to 1. First tell me here. What they mentioned here? What is the given here? Given is how? Sin theta plus sin square theta is equal to 1. That is already given. Therefore, sin theta is equal to 1 minus sin square theta. Sin square theta transfer that side. What you are getting? 1 minus sin square theta. But what is 1 square minus sin square theta? But 1 minus sin square theta is equal to cos square theta. Therefore, sin theta is equal to, therefore, sin theta is equal to cos square theta. Is that clear? Cos square theta. By taking the square root, by taking the square the both the sides. Square both sides. Why you are taking square? Because we require here 4. We are required here 4. Remember, we require here 4. Therefore, sin square theta is equal to cos raised to 4 theta. That value you are getting. Therefore, that is LHS. Therefore, LHS is equal to cos square theta plus cos square 4 theta. Is that clear? Agree. Therefore, which one is the equation number 1? Whatever maybe you are doing here, 1 and 2, that is the first one is here 1. Any one equation you can use the equal your own sequence only, remember. Don't go by proper. One sequence you want to do there, and by from 1 and 2, you are getting here because sin square theta plus sin square cos sin square theta already given 1. Therefore, that is cos square theta sin theta. Therefore, cos square theta plus cos raised to 4 square theta is equal to LH is equal to RH you are getting here by the formula only, remember. Yes? Is that clear? Yes? Hello? This is the solution of the question paper. Now I am talking the properly what you want to do at the time of the exam. After that we will discuss whatever will be doubts you have, which one you have to prepare, which terms you have to be prepare for the tomorrow's paper that I am explaining now. Just concentrate on my explanation. First one here, remember, when you are getting the question paper, read it properly, understand it, whatever it may be. Now you are preparing that one. Each and every topic, whatever the properties you are writing there, you want to write that reason very properly. Because question number 1, question number 2, question number 3, if all these 3 subs, all the 3 questions you are solving, you are getting the 29 marks. 29 marks in algebra, 29 marks in geometry, and 20 marks out of 20 in turn you are getting. That is 78 marks are there. That means nothing but 80% mark, not a joke. So prepare yourself. Be ready. Read it properly. Don't read the sums. That your theorem should be proper. तुमच्या theorem ह्या प्रॉपरच पाहिजे. व्यवस्थितच लिहायचं. रिप्रेझेंटेशन तुमचं व्यवस्थितच पाहिजे. नाहीतर काही उपयोग होणार नाही. कुठलाही प्रश्न कुठे सोडवताल, अर्ध या पानावरती सोडवताल, अर्ध त्या पानावरती सोडवताल, अजिबात नाही, बिलकुल नाही. तुम्हाला सांगतो मी, तुमचा गैरसमज येतो की नंबर ऑफ सप्लिमेंट अटॅच यू आर गेटिंग द मोर मार्क्स. नंबर ऑफ सप्लिमेंट तुम्ही जास्त लावल्या म्हणून तुम्हाला मार्क पडतील, अजिबात नाही. तुम्ही 4 पानामध्ये जर पेपर सोडवला व्यवस्थित सुटसुटीत तरी तुम्हाला 40 पैकी 40 पडू शकतात. लक्षात. पेपर सोडवण्याची पद्धती सेपरेट पेजवरती सेपरेट क्वेश्चन सोडवा. सेपरेट क्वेश्चन म्हणतोय मी, सब क्वेश्चन नाही, अजिबात नाही. क्वेश्चन फर्स्ट वन ए पार्ट झाला, छोटीशी लाईन मारा, त्याच्या पुढे बी पार्ट सुरू करा. लगेच बी पार्ट संपला, समजा बॅक साईडला बी पार्ट निम्या पानावरती संपला, पूर्ण लाईन मारा, पान सोडून द्या खालचं, आणि दुसरा क्वेश्चन दुसऱ्या पेजवरती करा. ते पेपर तपासणाऱ्यांना फार सोपं जातं, आणि त्याला सोपं गेलं की आपल्याला मार्काला फार सोपं जातं. लक्षात. कारण त्याला ते बायफर्केशन लिहावं लागतं. ए प्लस बी किती पडले, ए ला किती पडले, बी ला किती पडले, सगळं लिहावं लागतं. तो ते लिहितो व्यवस्थित. त्यामुळे तुमचा पेपर तसा पाहिजे. कुठेही लिहा, काही करा. आमच्या बोर्डाच्या नियमाप्रमाणे हा जो पहिला क्वेश्चन आहे तुमचा एमसीक्यूचा, तो लक्षात घ्या. तो जर तुम्ही रिपीट केला तर नेम काय सांगतो की तो फर्स्ट अटेम्प्ट मध्ये लिहिला तरच तुम्हाला मार्क देणार नाही. सेकंड अटेम्प्ट मध्ये लिहिला जर तो बरोबर आलं सगळं तरी आम्ही मार्क देणार नाही. पण त्यावेळेच्या सिच्युएशन वरती ते अवलंबून असतं. पण तुम्ही ते व्यवस्थित सोडवायचं, व्यवस्थित लिहायचं. अल्फाबेट लिहायचे, अँसर लिहा. नुसते अल्फाबेट लिहिले तरी तुम्हाला मार्क मिळणार आहेत. लक्षात येते का लक्षामध्ये. जिथं जिथं आवश्यक आहे तिथं फिगर पाडणं फार कंपल्सरी आहे. व्हॉट इज द रोल ऑफ द फिगर. फिगर रोल इज व्हेरी इम्पॉर्टंट दॅट टू गेटिंग द अंडरस्टँडिंग अँड टू गेट द मोर मार्क्स. जिथं फिगर नाही दिली त्यांनी फिगर आपण काढायची, ती 1 मार्काला सुद्धा आपण फिगर काढायची. कारण त्याचा फायदा काय होतो की जर तुम्ही फिगर काढली आणि तुमच्या कॅल्क्युलेशन मध्ये जर थोडासा कुठेतरी गोळ झाला तर तो एक्झामिन तुम्हाला ऍक्सेप्ट करतो की फिगर व्यवस्थित काढली, लिहिलेलं आहे सगळं व्यवस्थित, फक्त बाय मिस्टेक 24 च्या ऐवजी 23 लिहिले गेले, मार्क तो देऊ शकतो कन्सिडर करून. त्याच्यामुळे तुम्ही फिगर व्यवस्थित काढायची. अंडरस्टँडिंग साठी फिगर काढा, तुमच्या अंडरस्टँडिंग साठी फिगर काढा, बाकी काही नाही. पेपर एकदम सोपा जाणार तुम्हाला. जसा अल्जेब्राचा गेला त्याच्यापेक्षा चांगला जॉमेट्रीचा जाणार आहे. आलं लक्षामध्ये. फिगर व्यवस्थित काढा, व्यवस्थित ओव्हर रायटिंग नकोय, कॉपी करून कोणाचं लिहू नका. आलं लक्षामध्ये. आणि विचारत बसू नका कोणाला, वेळ कमी असतो, वेळ तुम्हाला पुरणार नाही. लक्षात घ्या. 2 तास जरी असले तरी तुमच्या घड्याळाकडे पहिले 15 मिनिटं तुमचे घाम पुसण्यात जातात. लक्षात घ्या. पहिले 15 मिनिटं तुमच्याशी उडण्यामध्ये जातात. काही टेन्शन घ्यायचं नाही, विदाउट टेन्शन पेपर लिहायचा. आलं लक्षामध्ये. याचा अर्थ टेन्शन द्यायचं नाही. काय असतील तुम्ही सांगा, काय असेल ते सांगा मला. प्लीज रिपीट क्वेश्चन नंबर, यूज मराठी इन बिटवीन बॉक्स. प्लीज क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. हा दुसरा पाहा. दुसरा पहा, एक्सप्लेनेशन पहा दुसऱ्याचं, 5व्याचं. तुम्ही सांगितलेले पहा, साइन थिटा प्लस साइन स्क्वेअर थिटा इज इक्वल टू 1. दॅट इज ऑलरेडी गिवन आहे. लक्षामध्ये. पण त्यामध्ये 1 आहे तो ट्रान्सफर करा त्या साईडला. काय झालं, साइन थिटा इज इक्वल टू 1 मायनस साइन स्क्वेअर थिटा. 1 मायनस साइन स्क्वेअर थिटा म्हणजे काय आहे. 1 minus sin square theta is nothing but cos square theta, because sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. हा आपला आयडेंटिटी फॉर्म्युला आहे आपला. आलं लक्षात. त्याच्यामुळे त्या ठिकाणी काय घातलं, फक्त cos square theta. काय व्हॅल्यू मिळाली आपल्याला पुढच्या स्टेपला, sin theta is equal to cos square theta. बरोबर आहे का. sin theta is equal to cos square theta. पण त्यांना आपल्याला काय रिक्वायरमेंट आहे त्यांची, त्यांचं आपल्याला पाहिजे cos square 4 theta आपल्याला दाखवायचंय. मग आता 4 theta कधी मिळणार इथं, म्हणून आपल्याला कॉसचा काय केला पाहिजे, कॉस स्क्वेअरचा काय केला पाहिजे, स्क्वेअर केला पाहिजे. म्हणून करताना दोन्ही बाजूचा स्क्वेअर करायचा. तो म्हणजे साइन स्क्वेअर थिटा इज इक्वल टू कॉस रेस टू 4 थिटा. हा झाला आपला एलएचएस. एलएचएस आपल्याला मिळालाय कॉस स्क्वेअर थिटा प्लस कॉस रेस टू 4 थिटा. हा आपल्याला एलएचएस मिळाला. परंतु आपल्या याच्यामध्ये गिवन मध्येच काय आहे, साइन थिटा प्लस साइन स्क्वेअर थिटा इज इक्वल टू काय आहे, 1 आहे. म्हणून हा काय आहे, हा आपल्याला जो कॉस स्क्वेअर साइन स्क्वेअर थिटा कॉस स्क्वेअर थिटा मिळाला तो आपल्याला पहिल्या इक्वेशन वरनच मिळाला आहे. म्हणून पहिल्या आणि दुसऱ्यावरनं आपल्याला एलएच इज इक्वल टू आरएचएस मिळालं. म्हणून दिलेला कॉस स्क्वेअर थिटा प्लस कॉस स्क्वेअर 4 थिटा इज इक्वल टू ऑल्सो 1. हे त्याचं एक्सप्लेनेशन आहे. एनी डाऊट. काय तुमच्या मनात शंका असतील तर विचारा, पेपर मध्ये काय करायचं. काय करायचं, काय करायचं ते विचार. काही शंका असतील तुम्हाला ते विचारा, मी तुम्हाला शंकेचं निरसन करण्याचा प्रयत्न करेन, काही प्रॉब्लेम नाही. मी त्यांना दाखवतो
इक्वेशन सबट्रॅक्ट करून पूर्ण काढायचं आहे.
कॉन्सन्ट्रेट सर्वांनी लक्ष द्या इकडे. आता लक्ष द्या, हे जोडलेले आपण, हे ए बी सी, आपण या सर्कलचे सेंटर जोडलेले आहेत. हा एक्स आहे, हा एक्स आहे, दॅट इज अजम्पशन. हे आपण मानलंय कारण रेडियस सारखीच असणार आहे. या रेडियस इथे वाय आला, इथे वाय आला, हा झेड आला, हा झेड आला. आता याच्यामध्ये त्यांनी दिलेलं हे 3 सेंटीमीटर आहे. काय आहे हे जी डिस्टन्स आहे, ए बी इज इक्वल टू 3 सेंटीमीटर, BC is equal to 3 सेंटीमीटर and AC is equal to 4 सेंटीमीटर. त्यांनी दिलेलं आहे रेडियस आपल्याला प्रत्येक सर्कलची. त्यांनी आल्या लक्षामध्ये. पण AB म्हणजे काय आहे, AB म्हणजे काय आहे, AB म्हणजे x प्लस वाय आहे, म्हणून x प्लस वाय इज इक्वल टू 3. BC म्हणजे काय आहे, y प्लस झेड इज इक्वल टू 3 आणि AC म्हणजे काय आहे, x प्लस झेड इज इक्वल टू 4. हे इक्वेशन नंबर 1, हे इक्वेशन नंबर 2, हे इक्वेशन नंबर 3. अशी 3 इक्वेशन आपल्याला मिळाली. परंतु बट x प्लस y प्लस z प्लस z, दॅट इज काय आहे, AB प्लस BC प्लस AC इज इक्वल टू किती होतात, 3 प्लस 4 दॅट इज 10. दॅट मीन्स व्हॉट, x प्लस y प्लस z इज इक्वल टू 10. या सर्वांची बेरीज झाली आपली इक्वेशन. मग आता हे मला सांगा, 2x प्लस 2x प्लस 2z इज इक्वल टू 10. हा 2 कॉमन काढला, x प्लस वाय प्लस z इज इक्वल टू 10, म्हणजे x प्लस वाय प्लस z इज इक्वल टू 10 अपॉन 2. 5 जा x प्लस वाय प्लस z इज इक्वल टू 5. हे इक्वेशन मिळालं आपल्याला चौथं मेन. आता आपण चौथं इंजेक्शन तुम्ही बस घेऊ शकता. याला 2 सेकंड थर्ड पूर्ण काय द्यायचं. आता पहा काय करायचं. हे आपल्याला एक्स प्लस वाय, आता या ठिकाणी एक्स प्लस वाय म्हणजे हे जे इक्वेशन आहे, इक्वेशन 1 सबट्रॅक्ट फ्रॉम इक्वेशन 4 म्हणजे काय आलं, एक्स प्लस वाय प्लस झेड इज इक्वल टू 10. आणि काय पहिले इक्वेशन, एक्स प्लस वाय इज इक्वल टू 3 आहे आपल्याला, बरोबर आहे. मग हा एक्स प्लस वाय आपण काय करतोय, सबट्रॅक्शन करतोय. आलं लक्षामध्ये. बोला मला आता सांगा तुम्ही, एक्स प्लस वाय प्लस झेड, इथे 5 आलं, बरोबर आहे. मग एक्स प्लस वाय झेड इज इक्वल टू 5 आहे. त्यातनं आपण सबट्रॅक्ट करतोय एक्स प्लस वाय इज इक्वल टू 3. सबट्रॅक्शन करतोय म्हणजे यू वॉन्ट टू चेंज द साइन. ओके, यू वॉन्ट टू चेंज द साइन. एक्स वाय हा गेला, मग काय राहिलं, फक्त झेड इज इक्वल टू किती राहिलं, 3 सेंटीमीटर राहिलं का. म्हणजे झेड कशाचं आहे बा, 5 प्लस 3 2 सेंटीमीटर, हे आलं 2 सेंटीमीटर. असं प्रत्येक इक्वेशन त्या मेन इक्वेशन मधनं तुम्ही मायनस करत गेला की तुम्हाला एक्स वाय झेड याच्या किमती मिळणार आहे. म्हणजे त्याच्या ठिकाणी येणार आहे. आता ज्या ठिकाणी एक्स प्लस वाय इज इक्वल टू 3 आहे, या ठिकाणी वाय प्लस झेड प्लस इज इक्वल टू 3, म्हणजे याची रेडियस पण किती येणार आहे, 5 मायनस 3 2च येणार आहे. म्हणजे एका सर्कलची रेडियस 2 येणार आहे, दुसऱ्याची एक 2 येणार आहे, आणि मग तो 4 वजा झाला की त्याची 1 येणार आहे. म्हणजे आलेल्या वर्तुळाची रेडियस किती येणार आहे, 2 सेंटीमीटर आणि 1 सेंटीमीटर. असं प्रत्येक इक्वेशन या मेन इक्वेशन मधनं जर तुम्ही सबट्रॅक्ट केलं तर तुम्हाला एक्स वाय झेडच्या काय मिळणार आहेत, किमती मिळणार आहेत. आणि एक्स वाय झेड इज नथिंग बट द रेडियस ऑफ द पर्टिक्युलर सर्कल. ती त्या प्रत्येक वर्तुळाची काय आहे, त्रिज्या आहे. त्यासाठी आपण हे अजम्पशन केलं. आता बोला, येते का लक्षामध्ये. इम्पॉर्टंट थिअरम हे पहा. प्रश्न इम्पॉर्टंट थिअरम म्हणजे फर्स्ट थिअरम मध्ये तुम्हाला रेशो ऑफ एरिया आतापर्यंत कधी विचारलेली नाही थिअरम ती. त्याच्यामध्ये कुठली थिअरम आतापर्यंत विचारलेली जास्त वेळा, बीपीटी. 100% बीपीटी येतो. नाही आली तर ऍप्लिकेशनला ठरलेलं आहे. आलं लक्षात, बीपीटी करा. आलं लक्षामध्ये, बीपीटी करा. त्याच्या करोलरीज पहा 2. अँगल बायसेक्टर प्रॉपर्टी आणि 3 पॅरलल लाईन्स अँड देअर प्रॉपर्टी, या 2 प्रॉपर्टी त्या पण करायच्या. थिअरमला ऑप्शन नाही. लक्षामध्ये पहिल्या याच्यामध्ये रेशो ऑफ एरिया ऑफ 2 सिमिलर ट्रायंगल ही थिअरम तर येतेच, हमखास करायची, पाठच करायची ती. सेकंड टॉपिक मध्ये 30, 60, 90 पायथागोरस थिअरम 30, 60, 90 आतापर्यंत कधी विचारली नाही. मागच्या वर्षी त्यांनी पायथागोरस थिअरम विचारली ती 2-3 वर्षापूर्वी. काही सांगता येत नाही, विचारू शकता. हो, पायथागोरस थिअरम 30, 60, 90 45, 45, 90 आणि अपोलोनियस प्रिन्सिपल कधी थिअरमला विचारला नाही, पण त्याचे ऍप्लिकेशन 100% विचारतातच. ऍप्लिकेशन ठरलेलंच आहे, त्याचं वादच नाही. आणि ज्याला 30, 60, 90 45, 45, 90 आणि पायथागोरस थिअरम कळलं, त्याचा ट्रिगोनोमेट्री टॉपिक तयार झाला म्हणून समजायचं. कारण ट्रिगोनोमेट्री सगळा 30, 60, 90 45, 45 to 90 वरच आहे. ज्याला थिअरम कळल्या त्याला ट्रिगोनोमेट्री एकदम सोपं, एकदम खास. आणि थर्ड टॉपिक मध्ये तुम्हाला टँजेंट सिकंड थिअरम आहे, इन्स्क्राइब्ड अँगल थिअरम आता पण विचारण्याची शक्यता आहे, ती करा प्रॉपर, स्टार करा त्याला. ते इन्स्क्राइब्ड अँगल थिअरम आहे, त्याचे करोलरीज आहेत परत. त्याचे करोलरीज कोणते आहेत की अँगल इन्स्क्राइब्ड इन द सेमी सर्कल इज राईट अँगल आणि अँगल इन्स्क्राइब्ड इन सेम आर्क कॉन्ग्रुएंट. म्हणजे काय, एकाच आंतरलिखित कोणा, एकाच कंसात आंतरलिखित केलेले कोण एकरूप असतात, मराठीमध्ये म्हणतात. हे मराठी मुलांचं लक्षामध्ये. म्हणजे अँगल इन्स्क्राइब्ड इन सेम आर्क कॉन्ग्रुएंट आणि अँगल इन्स्क्राइब्ड इन सेमी सर्कल इज 90 डिग्री किंवा राईट अँगल, या थिअरम करोलरी म्हणून होते. ह्या ऑब्जेक्टिव्हला विचारू शकतात, कुठे, प्रॉपर्टीला, जिथे तुम्ही ऍक्टिव्हिटी लिहिता त्याला विचारू शकता. आणि टँजेंट सिकंड थिअरम कंपल्सरी, त्यातलं जी मधली जी प्रॉपर्टी व्हेन इन्स्क्राइब्ड अँगल इज ए मायनर आर्क, ही तयार करून जा, येण्याची शक्यता आहे माझ्या माहितीप्रमाणे. बरं, थिअरम या 3च टॉपिक मध्ये थिअरम आहे, बाकी काहीच नाही. 30, 60, 90 करून जावा तुम्ही, वाद नाही त्याच्यात. 45, 45, 90 पण काय नाही, थिअरम काहीच नाही. फक्त स्टेटमेंट जर दिलं असेल तर परत लिहिण्याची आवश्यकता नाही. पण जर नुसतंच प्रूव्ह करायला सांगितलं असेल तर स्टेटमेंट लिहायला विसरायचं नाही. स्टेटमेंट लिहायचं, फिगर काढायची. विदाउट फिगर तुमची थिअरम तपासली जात नाही. देतात डायरेक्टली लिहितात, क्रॉस करतात आणि 0 देतात, नो फिगर, फिनिश. त्यामुळे फिगर पहिली काढायची. सर प्लीज सेंड ए ग्रुप फॉर ऑल क्वेश्चन्स अँड सोल्युशन्स. म्हणजे काय म्हणतो, तुम्ही ते पाठवले, सोल्युशन पाठवले तरी चालत नाही, काय प्रॉब्लेम नाही आपल्याला. तुमच्याकडे दिलंय ना सोल्युशन, तर पाठवून द्या तुम्ही, काय प्रॉब्लेम नाही. आणि तुम्हाला वाटलंच काय अजून काही सोल्युशन लागत असतील तर पेपर आहेत माझ्याकडे, मॉडेल आन्सर असतात माझ्याकडे, तुम्हाला देऊन टाकतील.
स्टुडंट्स प्लीज चॅट बॉक्स मध्ये तुमचा एकदा फीडबॅक देसाल, आजचा लेक्चर कसा झालेला आहे. स्टुडंट्स प्लीज चॅट बॉक्स मध्ये एकदा फीडबॅक देसाल हाऊ द लेक्चर वॉज.